Oh, wow. It's green. That's cool. I'm glad it's finally coming together. I wonder where Mike's at. Well, surely he'll show up here. He'll be here in a minute, I guess. He'll be... Whoa! What are you guys doing here? Well, it's a good thing you're here, because Mike's going to need some help hanging these fenders. I don't know how much longer I can hang around waiting on him, but we'll see.
Welcome back to Junk's Automotive. We got company. Jeez.
Hey, Mike.
Oh yeah, fenders have been on.
I was going to bring my Telecaster, but then John Barney made that comment. I was like, I screwed that.
Bring my Telecaster.
Well, that's a fender.
It is. Well, I think what we'll do is run through here and just kind of mark these holes.
That's what I figured.
Then
you got a marker?
Yep. We'll do the other side. And I want us. Now see, there's a grommet that goes around the post that goes in here.
Okay.
So we just don't want it like that or real far in here. I just want it like that. So.
Yeah.
Don't quite got through there. There we go. See, I gotta have it right in the... Well, it'll move around and give a little bit.
And sometimes you need to take a break, and it relaxes you from your project. And I'm good at that.
Yeah, I'm really good at that. All right. Yeah, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take the back of the fender. I want you to just hold right here.
Okay.
And just kind of get it close enough to the car where it's not beating the crap out of it.
Right.
Then I'm gonna work on getting one of these bolts in just to hold it in the back.
We'll move this out of the way. All right. And then we're gonna tuck the stuff in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Drop it in, hopefully you go that way. Oops. In theory.
Is that a part? Is that the part you just was picked up to put? Oh, you just wanted to see if the old man could still bend over, didn't you? God damn it. Okay.
All right. Now, let's see here. Oh, antenna hole. Perfect. Clink, scratch.
Yeah, don't even joke. I know the guy that painted this, he's had a real problem with it. Looks like it's threading in, Mike.
Yep. I'll leave it right there. You should be able to let it go, Ron. Then we'll go through and fight the rest of the bolts. See this? That's gonna be fun. There's a reason there's slices in that fender.
Splices, you mean?
Slices.
Slices.
There's 3 of them, so that it flexes more.
Oh, yeah, I got you. I understand what you're saying. Here, you want me to hold some?
Yeah, you want to. As long as you don't drop them.
No, because I have to bend over.
Really, once we get these top bolts in with that, like we want it, and it's nice, the rest of it we'll make it go.
If you say so.
Oh, I hope so. Okay. This one here.
Oh, it's on hinges. I didn't notice.
Next thing will be getting all the latches and things all put together and working. You like that?
Yeah.
So what do you think of the car, Ralph?
I think it looks good. Paint looks good.
Missing a few pieces.
Yeah. That's for air conditioning.
Oh,
yeah.
Airflow, yeah.
Airflow, yeah.
Looking good, laying in there.
Yeah. Don't see any bulging out.
No. See, if I have problems with it moving like that,
Yeah.
we'll have to pull it out and put something in there just to. The next bolt's here.
Well, maybe that'll hold it in place. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe we should have heated it a little bit, and then it would have dropped. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It doesn't act like it's got a whole lot of memory, though.
It's got once I hung it in the rafters by the stove
okay.
last night so that it would straighten out. Gotta have plenty of room to fall down, Ralph.
Got it. Oh, God.
Except I don't have a hole for this one.
You don't have a hole.
Antenna hole.
Oh. Oh, yeah, I got you. Well, let's put an antenna hole on that side, too.
If I remember right, it'll sit on there, but where's the hole?
Put some hair around it.
That never helped before, Ralph. Do what?
Do you know what this is made out of?
What?
It's felt now.
Felt.
That's why I don't let Ralph come over and help me. Oh, sure, the beer's fun.
The beer's fun.
It's weird that this is sticking so far back into there, you know what I mean?
That's because somebody was helping me measure it out.
I bet you stuck the wrong end in the wrong spot. That's why we had to move all the holes.
Oh. We also have two windshields to choose from.
Are they both made out of glass? I both use the glass one.
The glass one?
I can see through it.
Or the one we can see through?
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess windshield doesn't really mean it's necessarily clear.
Oh, I guess it could. I don't know. Well, that's good because those aren't cheap.
Well, I think they're stainless steel, and we can polish them up pretty easy. But
No, I thought that mean this piece.
yeah,
I thought it was
the little
chrome.
sides and something. I don't know.
All right,
All right,
all right.
now we're going inside somewhere.
So Lily's having a sleepover, huh?
Yep. I'm kind of glad it worked out the way it did.
I was gonna say, and Holly's not out here with us.
She has a good time, you know,
Okay.
for the most part.
Oh, you mean Halloween, or just in general sleepover?
Yeah, in general.
Okay. Well, that's good.
She knows that if I was in there, I just drink a lot and go to bed early.
There you go.
The 7-year-old screams just.
Oh God. That's why. That's what started that conversation about Applebee's and shit, isn't it?
Yep.
Yep. Yep. I can't take much of that.
get
I was
my
in a grocery store the other day.
in a grocery store.
Yeah, some kid was having a meltdown in Myers. And you would think Myers is a big enough store I could go to the other end of it and get away. But that woman was following me everywhere.
That woman was.
Yeah, I went to the pet supply area to get away because I thought nobody would let their pets get away with that. Nobody that's had pets would ever let anybody get away with that.
But the kid wanted the goldfish.
But sure enough, yeah, the kid was over bawling about goldfish. For God's sakes, woman.
That's fair.
And Pookie right there.
Yeah, that's kind of the whole thing.
Yeah, okay.
Let's see what we can do on the inside.
Hey, wait, right there.
Get it?
No, it's not going down.
Okay.
Is there a bolt there? Or?
There's a bolt right here and one right here.
Well, why am I not going down here right now?
That's because the fenders are on an MGA. That is why, Ralph.
Well, you wouldn't want to put Gibsons on an MGA, for God's sake.
Gibsons. You didn't watch all the videos, did you?
No. Most of them. There you go.
Got it?
Yep.
Anything else going down? It's just a rat rod anyway, Ralph, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
It's gonna be when we're done with it.
I don't know, Mike. You're the one that said you got to drive it around for a week or two before I get a hold of it. So
That's for your benefit, Ralph.
you may want to make sure it's right.
We good, Hank?
Yeah, like I say, they're still right there.
I got a spot over there.
Yeah, like I say, you may have to wedge some stuff in it to hold it.
pinch it better. Or off.
I would seriously, I would have considered using some contact cement or something,
Yeah.
maybe. Except you've got to make sure you get it lined up. So no, that wouldn't work either.
Yeah, I'm afraid it'd be stuck and I wouldn't be able to.
Yep, I get it.
Get the heat gun.
That might do it.
Yeah, it might, yeah. All right.
Yeah, those guys on the forum price. Oh, you can't do it in a cold garage. You have to do it in the hot sun.
Yeah. You gotta do that in the sun in July when it's at least 90 degrees.
What was that? Oh, the tops. They were talking about the tops.
Yeah.
Stretching the tops.
I could see that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not
All right.
this part right there. What do you think? I guess it's no worse than this back here. You may have several places you got to wedge on this side.
Let's see, that's just up a little bit.
Huh?
Well, no, I guess it's not.
Yeah, I don't want to go down in there. May have to wiggle it again.
See? You weren't paying attention, were you?
I was paying attention.
Down now. There we go.
No, it won't stay down though. There, I feel it.
Does it feel like it's going down now?
Yeah. But it'll stay there when we tighten it up. We won't know until we tighten it.
We were just caught up on the.
I don't see how. We cleared off plenty of it from.
It could be getting caught on the roughness of the joint.
It's for her pleasure.
It's ribbed.
Darn it.
That's pretty fair. for that.
Yeah, you have to wiggle again to get that down.
There's a lot of dick in here to do, Ralph. We ain't got all night. Let's see here. Go ahead.
And just taking it apart himself and putting it all back together.
Yeah, and then Bill put it all back together, finished up, and then sold it back to the guy.
I can see that.
For exactly the amount of money Bill had in it. But he knew that it was probably going to be the deal, you know. At least these were worth a little more than that.
Yeah.
Not a lot, but, you know.
Well, it's like anything else. It's worth exactly what somebody will pay for it.
Right.
What?
What? He just looks at you like,
I don't want to look dumpy.
I got some wood you can stand on.
You do it too. There, see? Now we look good together.
Now we look like a couple roosters.
Yep.
All
All
right. All right, everybody. Appreciate you coming by and checking it out. Had a good time with Ralph. You had fun, Ralph?
I had fun.
We didn't need a hammer.
Huh? I thought it was a wrench.
It's a wrench, Ralph. Yep. Yep. Are you happy with the car?
It looks wonderful. It looks wonderful. I like it.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
That's all we need to know right now. You know, and hey, a couple days, we're going to do the projects. Email me your projects. I've got a lot of cool ones. It's going to be a great video. Ralph, do you want to email me your project? Never mind. It's there. It's already there. Okay. All right. Anyways, thanks everybody for watching. Welcome back.
Peace out.
Thanks for watching Junks Automotive.
I don't think I did that right. What am I supposed to say? Peace out? I don't know what I was supposed to say. Junks Automotive?